Alabama has played a major part in restoration of the American alligator. In the 1920s, 30s, and 40s, the American alligator was threatened with extinction due to no harvesting laws. In 1938, Alabama took action to protect them. 20 years of protection has allowed the American alligator to rebound. In the late 80s, the American alligator was taken off the endangered species list. 13 years ago, Alabama conservationists realized alligators were becoming a nuisance in many places across the state. Now, each year, the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources randomly selects hunters to receive alligator possession tags. These tags allow hunters to harvest one alligator. Hunters are able to hunt the gators from sunset to sunrise on certain days. My dad, John Evans, received a gator tag in 2017, which quickly became dangerous. How do you get chosen to receive an alligator tag?
It's a computer-generated lottery. You have to fill out your registration form online, and it's like a couple weeks later they draw, and that's how you get picked.
Do you have to go to any classes for training?
Yes, you have to go once. Once you're selected, you go to a class and to basically give you the guidelines and their protocol of how they want you to hunt them.
When and where were you hunting when the accident happened?
It was August of 2017. We were in a backwater lake off the Tombigbee River.
Tell us what happened when your accident happened.
We had caught an alligator that was smaller than what we thought he was, so we was going to release him. And we got him to the boat. I grabbed his tail. He was hooked in the middle ways of the tail, and we grabbed his tail, got some pliers to try to pull the hook out, and when I went to pull the hook out, he turned around and he bit my hand.
Can you show us the video of you getting bit?
Yes.
Oh, son. Oh, no, man.
Thank you for sharing with us about your experience with the American alligator.